Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your old National Bank mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started since the process is quite easy. So the first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box and type in oldnational.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official website for Old National. Now go to the login option at the top right and enter your user ID and password associated with your online banking account. Type in your credentials correct. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Finally, after filling in your credentials for your online banking account, click Login, and then you will be able to log into your Old National online banking account. Once you're signed into the account, go to the mortgage option and manage your mortgage account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.